Hello guys, how are you? I hope you well. So today I have come up with a very good quality project for you. So don't miss anyone. Watch the video from start to finish. I will talk about this project and what the benefit of this website. So let's get started. And this project name Pumaset Fund. And this project website name pumaset.fund. Pumaset Fund. Private sale ends in 11 days, 21 hours and 24 minutes and second. Buy now with MetaMask. Press release. Find us on CoinMarketCap, CoinCodex, Nomics, CoinPaprika and ICO holder. Introduction. Set Fund is a non-banking financial originated in India which comes under the BRI Act 1934. These companies are governed by the Set Fund Act 1982. Set as characterized by the Act implies an exchange by the method of which a foreman guides into a concurrence with various subscribers that all of them will buy in a specific amount of cash in periodical person over some period of time, i.e. Set funds are a traditional means of savings and borrowing in which members or subscribers agree to contribute a fixed amount of money for a fixed duration of time. The total amount collected by foreman is then auctioned and given out as prize money to the member or subscriber in need. So this allows the members to save a part of their earnings for the times when needed. And this project white paper and just download white paper and read there more information on this project. Private sale bonuses up to 30%. Statistics and future of Set funds. A study contributed by Institute of Financial Management and Research under the direction of Dr. Modit Kapoor, Indian School of Businesses, Hyderabad, and Dr. Antoinette Shore, MIT Sloan School of Management, USA recommends that Set funds are innovative access to back for low-income families. The estimated size of the Set fund industry is INR 35,000 crore, nearly $5 billion, and is growing. The overall ranking of the preferred mode of savings according to the study. The perfect blending of Pumaset Fund with blockchain technology. The thing that makes Pumaset Fund stand out from the other Set Fund projects in the market is the fact that the platform is backed by the highly trending blockchain technology along with enabled smart contracts. By engaging our platform with blockchain technology, we would be able to serve the set holders with unmatched transparency, scalability, and some additional member benefits which will be made available at the maturity of every successful set team period. Smart contracts are lines of code that are stored on a blockchain and automatically execute when predetermined team and conditions are met. The benefits of smart contracts are most apparent in business collaboration, in which they are typically used to enforce some type of agreement so that all participants can be agreeing of the outcome without an intermediary's involvement. So, this will ensure full transparency and assure the users members that our end of the deal will be met without an intermediary's involvement. All the records and history will be digitally stored and linked together on the distributed ledger blockchain. Each record is also encrypted to provide an extra layer of security. Blockchain is said to be immutable because the record cannot be changed and transparent because all participants to a trade have access to the same version of the truth. Therefore, OMA Chat Fund will make it possible for you to save and borrow funds easily without having to look at the financial documentation. Also, we look forward to providing various other opportunities which will make it convenient and beneficial for our users members to pay the weekly, monthly, yearly EMIs with our utility token UCF, which will indeed help increase the demand and use cases for our coin on the platform. Customer satisfaction. We strive to provide the most advanced user interface to the users of our chat groups. Each user would have a real-time update regarding their chat purchase, upcoming or pending EMIs, actual benefits in the form of dividends, excluding the foreman charge, borrower's limit for each month, etc. We will try to keep our participant stakeholders as close as possible by keeping complete transparency and attending personally to any stakeholder saving problem issue with the platform. A survey form will be sent to each stakeholders on their dashboard after the end of every successful chat round to get genuine reviews about the chat Sims platform and if any updates are needed. The will enable us to meet the demands of the stakeholders by employing necessary change onto the platform for ease of access and convenience. Resolution of chat funds. Union of India has Act 40 of 1982 on establishment by the central government, which is controlled by the particular state government with the association of state rules. The state can liquidate lock for exhortation and help from Reserve Bank of India on strategy matters. There is an Office of Register of Chat Fund in each state that screen activity of the said organization mentally including the base capital T request before the intuition of business, acknowledgement of security raising to the said sum for the sake of register before the beginning of every set, limitation on the total volume of turnover corresponding to the need possessed assets, limitation in the use and appointment of the subscribers, assets in the position of the chat advertiser, and so on. About UCF. UMA Chat Fund Token UCF is an ERC20 compliant token is used on the Ethereum platform. It is a utility token on the UMA Chat Fund platform. Token details. Total amount 1 billion. Private sale soft cap 50,000. Private sale hard cap 500,000. Public sale soft cap 100,000. Public sale hard cap 1 million. Token price 0.1 USD. Token distribution. Team 30%, private sale 10%, public sale 30%, reserve 27%, and bounty and marketing 3%. Calculated use of revenue received from public private sales. Development 50%, marketing 15%, and legal 5%, operational 20%, others 10%. And this was a roadmap. 2019 concept formation. 2019 white paper creation started. Quarter 3 2020 website launched. 2021 white paper V1.0 release. Quarter 4 2021 commencement of private sale round. Quarter 1 2022 MVP release and marketing campaign start. And Quarter 2 2022 commencement of public sale round. And read there more information on this project roadmap. Ummah Set Fund teams. And read there more information on this project teams. Frequently asked question: what are set funds? Set funds are a traditional means of rotating, saving and borrowing which has been a part of India's financial system for more than a country now. Question and answer and more information this project. Get in touch with us. And this project social media: Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Telegram and Reddit, Steemite and Nomics. So I hope you understand this project. This project is a very good quality project. Everyone participate in this project. So if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, share, comment and Allah Hafiz.